important for me only because somebody said railway children is critical.
But why not state children?
State children, which one at the top there?
State is not there. State is not there.
Huh?
At least state children is there. What happens to my street child? Large number of street children are going to school because nobody bothers about them. Education you have mentioned as government, but nobody says in education there has to be street children, there has to be railway children, there has to be homosexual children. So now it will go. But that is happening only to my country. So whether railway in America, for example, first issue is accident. In America, in one accident, 500 people die. But you say accident in Google, and the first thing comes in Nigeria. Because in Nigeria, there are a lot of people who die because of accidents. But I do not know Nigeria. I only know America. Because that is a country which is known to everybody. I know India. I know Switzerland. I don't know what is Nigeria. What is Nigeria, I do not know. I thought Nigeria is part of Nigeria. But Nigeria is a different country. I do not know. So now, for next 2 years, at least I am going to, these 2,000 companies will have offices, for example, HSBC. HSBC will have India. HSBC also will be there in Pakistan. HSBC also will be there in UK. UK is main. But HSBC is in 50 different countries. Because I met HSBC recently. She said we have only limited. City is more because she came from city. Because Citibank is in different countries. At least 70-80 countries Citibank is there. So at least 10 companies per country. I am saying post country. 2,000 should easily go to 10,000, 20,000. So I am mentioning what HSBC in India is doing. Because HSBC India is different from HSBC. Education may not be issue. In UK, HSBC will work on different issues. So each company now, in that 2% is fine, but must see what is the development challenge of the country. So whether in India, this is the development challenge. Just like say, disabled. 3% of Indians, we are saying are disabled. 3% means 130 crores. 3% is at least 4 crore children. And therefore number of families is 123 crore children are disabled. Children, adults, whatever. Because disabled children will go to 40, 45. I don't know after 18 whether these people are called adults. But at least 4 crore disabled means the entire country, at least 30-40% country is gone. But the government doesn't mention, in 2% you should mention disabled. But it is mandatory. So I think it is important that Ashoka Fellows should go to government. And like you were saying, I went to the government and saying elderly is important because after 55, out of 130 crore, at least 20 to 30 crore people are above 55. So what number of people are Kachravatu? Out of 130 crore, at least there will be 15 lakh to a crore. In each metro, there is Kachravatu. But I do not know who works in Bangalore, who works in Delhi. And Ashoka only has 300 fellows. In India, 370 or 360. But a lot of people here are Ashoka Young Changers people. So each fellow is working on what? Fortunately for us, all the funding agencies, all the NGOs can put their information free. There is no charge where you can put your information. You can put it free. Only what you can be seen, whether in elderly you want to be seen in elderly, that I am charging. Actually I am charging 4,000, not much. To the company, how much for to charge? So Aloka, who is an HSBC, she said you must charge 1 lakh. I said no, you are HSBC, therefore you are saying 1 lakh. But Indian companies who are paying 2%, we at least 1.5% we go to my house. Because government, all the government agencies, you are saying 2% should go to the community. But I am not saying that. I am saying at least 1% should go to the, not fellows, but at least the NGOs. So NGOs who are putting can put home building. at least the home NGOs can put their information free. Funding agencies can put their information free. So now what happens to my mandal? Because I am a South Indian, so I am in London. So what happens to my mandal? Mandal, I used to give the name as mandal. So the fellow who used to do is Gujarati fellow. He said, fall in groups. Because I am suppose Kenyan, I don't know what is a mandal. So give groups. So I have given group surname. So right hand side. Right side. No. CSR and .com. Okay. And then it's written CSR and .com. On top. Logo. So I have under mandal. You can say that I am coming from this mandal. Right hand side. Right side. No. So all NGOs. At least funding agencies, social activism groups. Now I have mentioned as groups. So now we are in the process of mentioning whoever is there whoever is the fellow. Start with Ashoka fellows, because 3,000 fellows I can finish in 1.5 months. Because fortunately Ashoka.org has different countrysides. So at least we have gone to those countrysides, and out of 3,000 fellows, whoever has got Ashoka, at least Ashoka plus all the NGOs we got. So we will write to them saying that where are you working? So you want to add an issue Kachra also? I can always add. But you want to put under waste management. Waste is urban, rural. In urban you put it, I can put that. So fortunately for me, I can increase from 80 issues to 100 issues, 120 issues, because I do not know what is homosexual. Whether homosexual means I am a girl and I love another girl, I do not know. So homosexual can be one more issue here. I can increase from 80 to 100 issues. To start with, you are only looking at 8 issues, and you can go on adding the issues. You can go on seeing what is the status of education in each country. At least 30 countries we have. For example, if you go on HIV on top, because HIV was missing, the last fellow works on HIV. So, what
last two fellows are coming.
Last two fellows, second last fellow is working on so many things under issues. What answer is HIV. Like automobile is there, down HIV is there. नहीं इकडे At least HIV, what is the status of each country?
The link is broken.
Next what is
Under construction.
Yeah, to me HIV very hard. So in HIV, how many number of HIV people are there in my country? Because I belong to Nigeria.
You can give a link to the NACO site instead of watching only RMS.
Yeah,
Because the NACO
NACO
has all the information that will update it all the time. Hopefully. That they
My
crash. But the number
job
of people are not.
is to work less, work more on internet, and spend substantial time. For example, Magic Bus. Magic Bus is now working, taking students now on Saturday, Sunday to exotic location. So now it will go on there. My job is not to work. I left the work to all the people who are working for community and focus only on supporting them, not supporting
So what was the